Good day, class. This is Sir Emilio Titara Jr. and welcome to another mathematics class. Today's topic is combination. Our learning objectives are define combination. Number 2, differentiate permutation from combination. Number 3, illustrate combination of objects. And number 4, solve different problems involving the concept of combination. So let us look back. The permutation of 6 objects taken 4 at a time is, if I were you, pakipost muna and solve. Then, tsaka natin ilabas ang sagot. Or tignan natin kung mag-match na yung sagot natin. Sagot nyo at sagot sa ating question. So, the correct answer for this one is 360. Next. From a group of 10 different books, 5 books are to be selected and arranged on a shelf. How many arrangements are possible? So the correct answer for this one is 30,240. Next, in how many ways can a group of 7 persons arrange themselves in a circular table? So this one is a circular permutation. Pero ano kayong gagamitin dito? Yung first formula or the second? So, tignan natin kung mag-match yung sagot natin, ha? Okay, the correct answer is 703. In how many ways can 5 keys be arranged in a keyring? So, this one is probably, or we will use the second formula for this one. So, ano kaya ang sagot? In 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is 12. So, kung puro tama ang mga sagot, proceed ka na sa ating lesson. Pero kung may mga mali or kalahati ng tanong ay hindi mo nakuha ng tama, balik po tayo dun sa video about permutation. So, the protocols in permutation or in solving permutation is magka-cancel out tayo usually, diba? So, dito, i-expand mo to, or kung i-evaluate mo yung numerator, then i-evaluate yung denominator, then tsaka mo i-divide. So, that's how we usually solve for division, diba? In fraction form. So, this one, 9 factorial over 3 factorial is 60,480. Ngayon, let us differentiate permutation and combination. So, sa permutation, it is an arrangement of objects in which order is important. So, again, order is important. The formula that we usually use is this. Permutation of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to n. While combination is arrangement wherein order is not important. So the formula is combination of n objects taken r at a time is equal to n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial times, ito yung pinagkaiba po, r factorial. May multiplier na r factorial. So, example, if we have, if r is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3, then the permutation of 3 objects taken 2 at a time will be 6. Ngayon, kung combination naman ang pinag-uusapan, at sinubstitute natin ang value ng n at ang r, we will have the combination of 3 objects taken 2 at a time will be equal to 3. Okay. So, consider the letters A, B, C, and take 2 letters at a time without repeating any of the letters. So, if order is significant, ito yung formula na ginamit natin or permutation siya. So, 6 ang nakuha natin. And ito yung mga arrangement natin. 3 letter pero dalawa-dalawa lang at a time. So, AB, ang una is AB, counted as 1 yan. The second one is the BA. As we can see, pareho silang may A, pareho silang may B. Pero, sa first one, nauna ang A. Sa second one, nauna ang B. Ganun din yung sa pangatlo at pang-apat. Parehong may A at C. Pero sa pangatlo, nauna ang A. Sa pang-apat, nauna ang C. And the 5th and the 6th, same sila ng elements pero magkaiba lang ng order. So dito, dahil kahit magkapareho sila ng mga laman na element, parehong may A and B yung itong una natin. Ayan, pareho silang may A and B. Pero dahil magkaiba ng arrangement, magkaiba sila para kay permutation. Ngayon, if order is not significant or hindi importante yung pagkakasunod-sunod, dito, sa permutation, importante ang pagkakasunod-sunod. Sa combination, order is not significant. So, di ba ang nakuha nating sagot is 3. So, meron lang tayong tatlo dito. Then, these are, tignan nyo, para kay permutation, magkaiba ang AB sa BA. Pero para kay combination, iisa lang yan. Parehong may A, parehong may B. Kahit ano pa yung mauna at mahuli, pareho lang sila ng laman na element, pareho lang na may A, pareho na may B. At iisa lang yan, counted as 1 po yan. Ngayon, tignan nyo to. Para kay permutation, magkaiba ang AC sa CA. Pero para kay combination, pareho lang ang AC sa CA. Kaya counted as 1 lang itong dalawang pares natin dito. And same as the third pair. Para kay combination, para kay permutation, magkaiba ang PC sa CB. Pero para kay combination, iisa lang sila sa paningin ng combination. Parehong may B at may C. Pero hindi importante kung sino mauna. Since parehong may B at parehong may C, counted as 1 sila. Okay, next. Permutation combinations. So, ito yung mga keywords natin kapag nakakakita tayo ng mga problems regarding permutation and combination. Una, arrangement, rankings, order, uniqueness. Sa combination naman, community group, selection, service, choose, pick. So, minsan hindi natin makakita directly itong mga words na to, pero pag inintindi natin, baka arrangement yung pinag-uusapan, rankings, order, uniqueness, o kaya naman hindi porket sinabing choose, ibig sabihin combination na. Baka pag sinabing choose, permutation din. So, may mga tricky questions tayo dito, ha? Okay. Analyze each situation if it is asking for a combination or permutation. Tignan natin kung tama ang pagkakaintindi nyo. Kung combination ba or permutation ng bawat problem na or bawat situation ito flash. So for number 1, in how many ways can 5 cars line up for a race? Is it a combination or permutation? Is order significant or not? Okay. So the correct answer for this one is permutation. Kasi nga po, sa ating 5 cars, magkakaiba ang ating 5 kotse na yon. So, bawat arrangement is magkakaiba and ang tinatanong is how many ways can 5 cars, diba? So, for this one, kaya siya permutation dahil nga magkakaibang car. Then, pag may na ibang magkapalit na pwesto or magkapalit na pwesto pala is ibang bilang na agad natin. Next, in how many ways then? Okay. Can 5 players for a team be chosen from 7 players? So dito, importante ba ang meron tayong 7 players tas 5-5 lang ang pagpipilian sa isang team. Ngayon, importante kaya ang pagkakasunod-sunod or basta makakuha lang ng 5. So this one, ang keyword natin is chosen na ang root word or ang present tense is choose. So this one is combination. Next, in how many ways can 3 guitar players be seated in the first, second, and third seats in the orchestra? So dito, guitar players ang kailangan ilagay sa first, second, and third seats on an orchestra. So, mapapansin natin, meron pagkakasunod-sunod. May first, second, third. At kung meron pagkakasunod-sunod, malamang ito ay permutation. Next, in how many ways can 3 paintings be chosen for display from a collection of 10 artworks? So, dito, mapapansin natin, meron na namang chosen word. So, ano kaya ito? Permutation or combination? Very good. The correct answer is combination. Kasi hindi naman importante yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng repaintings. Unlike dun sa problem number 3 na may order mismo na may first, second, and third. Then, number 5. Given 5 different toppings from which to choose, how many different 4-topping pizzas are possible? So, nandito na naman tayo sa word na choose. And the answer for this one is combination. So, di naman importante kung maunang mga toppings sa pizza natin, di ba? A team of 6 volleyball players needs to choose a captain and a co-captain. So, ito na naman tayo. Mamimili daw. Choose 6 volleyball players from 6 volleyball players. Or, tama. Yep. Pero kailangan ng captain at co-captain. Dito, meron ng position. May captain at may co-captain. So, ano kaya ito? This one is permutation kasi may arrangement na or may order na. May captain at co-captain. So, hindi porket may word na choose, combination agad. Isipin nyo, yung kailangan bang i-arrange? Importante ba ang arrangement ng problem na yun? So, next, let's solve some problems. The combination of 7 objects taken one at a time, 7 objects pero i-arrange mo na isa lang. So dito ang value ng n ay 7, value ng r ay 1. So lahat ng n dun sa ating formula, palitan lang natin ng 7 at yung r, palitan natin ng 1. So ito ang nakuha natin. Then, una natin evaluate yung baba. 7 1 factorial is equal to 1. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, pagdating sa baba, wala na siya kasi na-multiply na siya or pwede na siya i-sulat. Then, di ba kapag nagsasolve tayo or kapag nag-evaluate tayo na-expand natin, tapos kapag may kapareho na siya sa baba, pwede na tayong mag-stop. So, dito, 6 factorial pa lang, may kapareho na siya agad sa baba. 6 factorial. Kaya pwede natin i-cancel out yan. Ang natira na lang ay 7. Okay, next. Dito, combination of 5 objects taken 5 at a time. 5 objects, i-arrange mo ng 5-5. So, equal ng n, equal ng r. Tignan natin. Actually, this one is a special case kasi equal lang n tsaka ang r. So, kung papansin nyo, lahat ng ang pinalit natin sa both n and r is 5. So, of course, una natin evaluate kung nasa loob ng parentheses, which is 5 minus 5 or 0 factorial. 0 factorial is equal to 1, di ba? So, 1 na lang yan. Then, pwede natin i-cross out yung 5 factorial kasi pareho silang meron sa numerator at denominator. So, the answer is 1 kasi 1 na lang ang natira. So, dito, kapag equal lang n, sa combination, kapag equal lang n at r, ang sagot is equal to 1. Next, combination of 8 objects taken 0 at a time. Dito, special case din ito dahil 0 ang r natin. So, ano kayo mapapansin natin dito? 0 ang r, 0 ang multiplier. So, basically, this is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8 factorial na, di ba? So, dito, ang matitira na lang din is 0 factorial which is equal to 1. And the final answer is 1. So again, kapag 0 ang r, 1 ang sagot. Kapag parehong n at r, 1 ang sagot. How many different committees of 4 people can be formed from a pool of 7 people? So, ang keyword natin dito is committees. So, anong value ng n? Anong value ng r? Okay, the value of n is 7 and the value of r is 4. So, combination of 7 objects taken 4 at a time will be equal to this one. So, una nating evaluate yung nasa loob ng parentheses which will be equal to 3. Then, expand natin yung 7 factorial. So, magiging 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. Pero mag-stop sa 4 kasi may kapareho na sa baba. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 3 factorial and expanding natin. Bakit kaya natin expand? Para makita natin kung meron pa tayong pwedeng i-cancel. So, dito, ano pa kaya ang pwedeng i-cancel? Okay, wala nang magkapareho, di ba? Pero, meron pa tayong pwedeng i-cancel. Ano kaya yun? Okay, pwede natin i-cross out yung 6 sa taas and 3 times 2 sa baba. Kasi nga, di ba, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, they are basically the same thing, same number. So, pwede natin sila i-cross out. Or, as is na sila sa 1. So, ang natira sa taas ay 7 times 5. Sa baba naman ay 1. So, the answer is 35. Okay, for a survey, 5 students are chosen from a group of 10 students. How many ways can this be done? So, dito ang ating keyword is survey. So, malamang sa malamang combination. So, ang value ng ating n is 10. Ang value ng r is 5. So, ganito ang itsura ng ating equation. 10 factorial over quantity 10 minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Evaluate natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis will be 10 over 5 factorial times 5 factorial. Na kapag in-expand natin, mag-i-stop tayo sa 5 factorial kasi may kasama na siya sa baba or may kamukha na siya sa baba. So, pwede natin i-cross out yan. Ano pa kaya yung mga pwede natin i-cross out? Pwede tayo mag-cross out ng dito pwede natin i-cross out yung 10 and 5 times 2. Okay. So, meron pa ba? Okay. So, kung wala na, pwede muna natin i-multiply or kunin yung product ng mga natira. So, 4 times 3 times 1, 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Okay. Then, kapag kinuha mo yung quotient, you will get 262. In how many ways can a team consisting of 2 boys and 2 girls be formed if there are 6 boys and 10 girls who qualify to be in a team? So, dito, meron tayong 6 na babae, 6 na lalaki, 10 babae. Pero, 2 lang sa lalaki at 3 lang sa babae ng pipiliin at the time. So, ilang ways kaya ang pwedeng magawa natin or ilang team kaya ang pwede natin magawa dito? So, dito, 2 combination to. Una, yung sa boys, 6 and 2. 6 ang pagpipilian. Meron tayong 6 na lalaki pero 2 lang ang pwede. Then, 10 sa girls pero 3 lang ang pipiliin. So, ang gagawin natin via fundamental counting principle, ayan, i-multiply natin yung sagot sa dalawang to, which will be 6 factorial over quantity 6 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 10 factorial over quantity 10 minus 3 factorial 2 factorial. Solve natin, magiging ganito, nag-minus lang muna tayo, then expand natin hanggang 4 lang, kasi may kamukha na sa baba. Then 2 times 1, ito naman hanggang 7 kasi may kamukha na sa baba. So cross out natin yung mga common factors. Ang matitira na lang is 15 times 120. Saan nang galing yung 15, sir? 6 times 5. Diba? Actually, 6 times 5 is 30. Ito, 6 times 5 is 30. Divided by 2 times 1, magiging 15. Ito naman po, 10 times 9 times 8. What is 10 times 9 times 8? 720. Tama ba? Okay, 720 divided by 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So, 720 divided by 6, 120 na lang ang sagot. Kapag gumawa natin yung product nila, we will get 1,800. So, the answer for this one is 1,800. So, that would be all for today. I hope you learned something.